Good morning on day 43. There's the shelter I slept in last night. And look at the view again. So pretty. Clouds covering the valley below. Good morning. Hello! This is probably the earliest I've gotten started in a long while. I got started about 7:20 this morning, but the whole shelter was up and at 'em pretty early, so we had that beautiful sunrise that we got to watch, and there's gonna be no rain in the forecast today, so it looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day, relatively easy hiking. So I'm looking forward to a nice day. Look at the pretty tall green grass. So this big tree obviously fell down. The trail's over there, but I love how the people just go all the way around the tree. Now, does this count as extra mileage? Or beautiful day today. How pretty. My first official break after 9 miles of hiking. I did stop twice to talk to some people briefly, but I have my backpack on, so I don't really count that as a break. Now I've taken off my backpack, found a small stream. I was basically out of water, so I've been looking forward to this small stream for 4.5, 5 miles. Oh my gosh. Water! Water is life. Oopsies. Usually I don't have it up this high. You keep it on the ground, but I wanted you guys to see how easy it is to filter. I have 3 water bottles. One I keep for electrolytes, to put electrolytes in. One I consider my emergency bottle, and then one I have like right up front with me. So when I get down to the emergency bottle, things are getting serious. Time to fill up. So that's what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna hang out here and have a snack. Couple snacks. Oh, look at this pretty bridge. How pretty. Aw, nice. Up to a road crossing. There's one of my cohorts. Look at this, AT hikers. Oh my gosh, and real ice that's still ice. I'm shocked. I actually might take 2. This is the best ginger ale. I'm gonna take both of them. I'm a trail boss on the Appalachian Trail, baby. Check it out, trail side views here. on the Appalachian Trail in Southern Virginia. Here's a beautiful view. There's a barn down there. I'd love to know who owns it. It's like a petrified forest with all these dead trees. Pretty views though. Found somebody looking at me kind of grumpy. Why are you so sad? Well, they say listen to your body, and even though I wanted to go a few more miles to get to a stretch goal of like 24, 25 miles today, I'm going to stop soon at like a little over 21 because my body is telling me it's thirsty, it's very hungry, that its feet hurts, and it wants to lay down. So I'm going to listen to my body. There's the expressways, and I actually took a wrong turn, kind of. I took this path, as you can see, and it just led up to like a big landing kind of area where I was kind of stuck at the top of this hill. So I don't feel this is really well marked, but I think I need to actually stay along the road. Stinks. Yeah, well, there, I guess it is marked. I see the white blaze now. Yep, on that tree there. I thought I was gonna go up on a trail, but no, I'm gonna stay on this road. And remember when I said I was gonna listen to my body and stop? Well, I take that back. There wasn't a good stopping spot, so I'm continuing to go. All right, I see the little AT symbol to the right. And there's another sign, okay? This is just... want this to be over. Well, yes, I suppose I am listening to my body because my mind is part of my body, and my mind's telling me the spot I was gonna camp at wasn't a good or a safe spot. So I'm going another like 2 miles to hopefully a good safe spot. Meanwhile, I'm going on almost 12 hours of hiking today, and I have another 500 feet to go uphill. Well, I have like another mile to go, but 500 of it is an uphill incline. Gosh, say it ain't so. 12-hour day, 24 miles. And then I have to actually walk off of the trail. I'm not even getting credit for this.